Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I will walk you through how to connect your Lovable project to GitHub in 2025. This integration gives you version control, backup, and seamless collaboration, all without needing to code. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to come here on lovable.dev. Over here, you need to basically either sign in into your account, or you can also set up your account if you haven't already. Here you will see this type of section where you can basically type a prompt and create a website for you. You can also just scroll down and click on the community driven websites here. Then you can remix the website. Basically, you need to come here in your website editor just like so. Once you are here on this page, you will see the GitHub icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. So you need to first of all click on it. After that, click on the option of Connect GitHub. It is going to be taking some time to show you further options. Like as you can see over here, connected account is the admin's account, and you can add your GitHub account to manage the connected organizations. So here, right next to it, again click on the option of Connect GitHub. Now a new pop-up will be opened in front of you where you need to provide your username or email address associated with your GitHub account. You can also continue with the help of your Google account. Then click on the option of continue. After that, click on the option of authorize lovable.dev. Then it is gonna be taking some time to show you that your GitHub account is now connected successfully. If you want to connect the project, you can click on the option of add organization, and after that you can basically select the organization, install and authorize, and it will be added here successfully. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.